Hey everyone, it's Annie here. How are you guys doing today? I want to share something that could be a real game changer for both your gut and your skin health. If you are looking for a natural way to support a glowing complexion while also improving your digestion, you're going to love this because they actually are connected. And today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Prime Biome before actually buying the product. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video. And I'll tell you the first thing you need to know about Prime Biome is be careful with the website you're going to buy because Prime Biome is only sold on the official website to help you. I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, so let me introduce you to Prime. Biome is a powerful probiotic formula designed to nourish your skin from within as we age. Our skin's natural renewal process really slows down, leading to dullness and uneven texture. Prime Biome helps support skin cell turnover, promoting fresh, healthy skin that really looks youthful and radiant. But the benefits don't stop there. Prime Biome also works to improve gut health by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria. A healthy gut is directly linked to better digestion, improved metabolism, and even balanced weight management. By taking care of your gut, you're also supporting overall wellness from the inside out. And the best part? This supplement has already been tested by many people, and the results are impressive with visible effects in short time. And if you're wondering, but does this really work? The answer is yes. It's not just me saying this. Many women have already tried Prime Biome and experienced incredible results, from firmer, more youthful skin to significant improvements in gut health. So what is inside Prime Biome? Each gummy is packed with a carefully selected blend of natural ingredients, including B-coagulans, bobchi, fennel, dandelion, inulin, fenugreek, and more. These ingredients work together to support digestion, skin health, and overall balance. All in one, easy-to-take gummy, plus it's non-GMO and free of stimulants, making it a great addition to your daily routine. Just take one gummy a day and you're all set. And here's something really exciting. When you order 6 bottles today, you actually receive 2 free bonuses. This is a great way to get the most out of your purchase while making a long-term investment in your health. And another important thing about this product that you need to know before buying it, you can actually test Prime Biome if you don't like it. For any reason, they will give your money back. It's totally risk-free. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try Prime Biome, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams to help you. I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. All right, folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness content, and comment below with your experiences or questions about Prime Biome. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.